Good morning, cookies, and welcome back for Number Corner. We're going to review our pattern. We had a circle, square, triangle, square, circle, rectangle, triangle, square, circle, and today is a rectangle. Miss B turned it over already. Sorry, guys. But if you look up, today is Thursday. It is the 10th. You show 10 with your fingers using all of them, just like this. 10. You make sure you can see them all. And a 10 is written with a 1 and a 0. So today is September 10th, 2020. Let's review the days of the week. Sing it with me. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Yay! You did it! Okay, we're going to look at the months of the year, and I realize you can't see December very good, so let me tilt that down just a little bit. Here we go. I say it, you say it. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Those are the months of the year. I think I've got a song we can do next week for the months of the year to remember them. So I've moved you over, and I got to tilt you up so you can see everything. Hello there, my dears. We're going to add our blue dot to our 10 frame. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 red dots and 1, 2, 3 blue dots. So 5 red dots plus 3 blue dots equal 8. Yes, good counting, guys. And if I add our link on here, just slip it on here. We're going to count them all together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Notice again, I'm counting, pointing as I go so that I don't miss anything, and it helps me keep track. So I'm going to write the 8 up here. And to make an 8 is one of the trickiest numbers to write. So let's show you on the big board how to do it. My silly saying is, make an S and close the gate to make the number 8. Okay, time for the collector. We've got to add to the collector. So here we go. We're going to spin. And we landed on the number 3. Yes, 3. Show me 3 fingers. Very good. Okay, so here we go. We are going to go 1, 2, 3. Can you say that? We're going to double count. Help me count. 1, 2, 3. Yes, we have 3. They are going to go in this pocket right here. Now, the last thing we're going to do today, this is a short number corner, is flash and show. So I'm going to flash a 5 frame, and you're going to show me with your fingers how many I just showed you. Are you ready? I love all those yays or yeses. Here we go. Did you show me 4 fingers? That's right. Here we go. Next one. Oh, look at all those 2s up there. Awesome job. Here we go. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, 5. And we'll do one more. Ready? Yep, I'm going to flash them a little faster. Did you show me 3 fingers? That's correct. You did a wonderful job, cookies. And I will see you tomorrow.